Producing petrol, gasoline, is a complex process that involves refining crude oil, which is a fossil fuel. It requires advanced technology, specialized equipment, and expertise in the petroleum industry. Here's a simplified overview of the process. 1. Crude oil extraction. Crude oil is extracted from underground reservoirs through drilling wells. This crude oil is a mixture of hydrocarbons and other compounds. 2. Transport and storage. The extracted crude oil is transported via pipelines or tankers to refineries. It is stored in large tanks before the refining process. 3. Distillation. Crude oil is heated in a distillation column, where it vaporizes at different temperatures. The vapors rise through the column, and as they cool and condense, they are collected in separate trays or chambers. This process separates the crude oil into various components, including petrol, gasoline. 4. Fractional distillation. Petrol, which is a lighter hydrocarbon fraction, is separated from other components based on its boiling point. It is collected at a specific temperature range within the distillation column. 5. Conversion. Some of the heavier fractions produced during distillation can be further converted into petrol through processes like catalytic cracking and hydrocracking. These processes break down larger hydrocarbon molecules into smaller ones to increase the yield of petrol. 6. Treating and blending. The separated petrol undergoes treatment to remove impurities and improve its quality. It is also blended with additives to enhance performance, stability, and environmental properties. 7. Storage and distribution. The refined petrol is stored in tanks and then distributed to gas stations via pipelines, trucks, and other means of transportation. It's important to note that the production of petrol involves a wide range of technical and environmental considerations. Crude oil refining has significant environmental impacts, including greenhouse gas emissions and pollution. As society moves toward more sustainable energy sources, there is a growing focus on reducing our reliance on fossil fuels like petrol and transitioning to cleaner alternatives. Additionally, the process of refining crude oil and producing petrol requires highly specialized facilities and expertise that are typically part of large-scale oil refining operations. It's not a feasible or safe process to attempt on an individual or small scale without the necessary resources, infrastructure, and knowledge.